Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Determine whether the lines 4x minus 2y equals 8, y equals 2x plus 3, and 3y equals negative 6x plus 9 are parallel, perpendicular, or neither to each other. Justify your answer by comparing slopes. Now let us work through the solution step by step. Before we compare lines, let's recall the rules. Two lines are parallel when they have the exact same slope but different y-intercepts. Two lines are perpendicular when their slopes are negative reciprocals of each other. That means the product of the two slopes equals -1. Our strategy is to rewrite all three equations in slope-intercept form and then compare slopes. Let's convert the first equation, 4x minus 2y equals 8, into slope-intercept form. Subtract 4x from both sides to get -2y equals -4x plus 8. Then divide every term by -2 and we get y equals 2x minus 4. So the slope of line 1 is 2. The second equation, y equals 2x plus 3, is already in slope-intercept form, so no conversion is needed. The slope of line 2 is simply 2. For the third equation, 3y equals negative 6x plus 9, divide every term by 3. We get y equals negative 2x plus 3, so the slope of line 3 is -2. Here is a summary. Line 1 has slope 2, line 2 has slope 2, line 3 has slope -2. Now let's use these slopes to classify every pair. Lines 1 and 2 both have slope 2, and their y-intercepts are different, -4 versus 3. Equal slopes with different intercepts means the lines never intersect. Therefore, line 1 and line 2 are parallel. Lines 1 and 3 have slopes 2 and -2. To check for perpendicularity, multiply the slopes. 2 times -2 equals -4, which is not -1. The slopes are also not equal, so they are not parallel either. Therefore, line 1 and line 3 are neither parallel nor perpendicular. Lines 2 and 3 have slopes 2 and -2, the same pair we just checked. The product is -4, not -1, so they are not perpendicular. The slopes differ, so they are not parallel. Line 2 and line 3 are also neither parallel nor perpendicular. Here are all three lines on the same graph. Notice that line 1 and line 2 run perfectly parallel. Same steepness, different heights. Line 3 tilts in the opposite direction with slope -2 and crosses both of the other lines, but at angles that are not 90 degrees. To summarize, line 1 and line 2 share slope 2 with different y-intercepts, so they are parallel. Line 3 has slope -2. The product of 2 and -2 is -4, not -1, so neither pair involving line 3 is perpendicular, and since the slopes are not equal, they are not parallel either. Line 3 is neither parallel nor perpendicular to the other two lines. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.